If your crew is still hauling heavy materials with a manual wheelbarrow, we've got the machine to help your team work more efficiently. This solution is the Trailblazer Transporter, a strong and versatile motorized carrier. The Trailblazer uses a 3.5 horsepower Honda GX120 engine to power maximum payload up to 650 pounds. We've given this heavy hauler dual track drives that enable the machine to just roll up and over obstacles that used to force your crew to manually haul or work around. Equally important are the Trailblazer's brake steering system that navigates like a tank. Brake right, turn right. Brake left, turn left. The normal bed size without expanding the walls measures 36 inches long by 23 inches wide. Fully expanded, the Trailblazer's walls measure 46 inches long by 37 inches wide. This flexibility enables your team to adjust the carrier to the different sizes of materials needing to be hauled. Isn't it finally time to allow your team to work smarter, making better use of their time and energy?